Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to find USA groups on Facebook using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and click on the search button at the upper part of your screen. And now just go ahead and search for the groups that you want to search. So for example, I'm just gonna type vintage stores. So I'm just gonna click on search. Now you want to click on groups here at the upper part of your screen. And here at the upper right corner of your screen, you can see this filter button. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can see the city option, right? So just go ahead and click that and click on find a city, and you just want to type USA or any places that you want. So now just go ahead and search that. Okay, so for example, I'm just gonna search for New York like that. So click on that and click on show results. Okay, and the other way to do this is again click on the search bar and click and type USA. Click on groups and you will see all of the vintage stores on USA. So that's it. That is how you find USA groups on Facebook. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.